If you have tried everything but your hair is not growing, your hair is damaged, it is thinning out and breaking a lot, there is this ingredient I have discovered that has helped me so much in my hair care routine, and I'm going to show you today. This natural ingredient is so powerful that you shouldn't be sleeping on it. Hello, beautiful people. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're one of my returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos, giving them thumbs ups, and even sharing them. And if you're stopping by for the first time, I really do appreciate you clicking on this video. Let's get straight into it. So this is neem powder. Neem powder is so powerful. But before telling you all about it, you know how we do it here. But if you're new here and you do not know how we do it here, we show a whole lot of love around this channel. So please show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. And do not forget to share this video with your friends, your families, as well as on your social media platforms. Thank you for doing all that. All right, so let me take you through what is happening. I measured about a tablespoon of neem powder. I added my organic olive oil. You can use any carrier oil of your choice, any plant-based oil of your choice. You can use coconut oil, avocado oil, sunflower oil, grapeseed oil, just to mention a few. I measured about 5 tablespoons of my olive oil. I added it to my neem powder and gave it a stir. Let me tell you guys, there is no specific measurement to this. Too much or too less wouldn't harm you in any way. Just top the neem powder with oil, enough oil to make sure it covers all the neem powder. Then after that, you're going to use the double boiler method to infuse the oil. This is pure neem oil. You can use this oil by itself by massaging it onto your scalp, your hair strands, or you can even add it to your leave-in conditioner, your hair moisturizer, and massage it into your hair. You can also warm it up and use it on your wash days as your hot oil treatment. So after infusing this oil, you have to strain it. You can strain it with a paper towel, a cheesecloth, or any material with tiny holes. It is very, very important to strain it, guys. I learned it the hard way. Make sure you're doing a good job when it comes to straining it. Look at how beautiful and how pure this neem oil is already looking. But I'm going to show you how I use it to grow my hair. So make sure you're not skipping any part of the video. Make sure you are watching to the end because I'm going to show you all the tips you need to know in order for this neem oil to work great for your hair. All right, so this is petroleum jelly, or call it Vaseline. Vaseline has been used for so many years for our skin and other things. But little did I know Vaseline can also help keep my hair moisturized for a very long time. Ever since I started using Vaseline in my hair care routine, it has changed the game for me. But adding it to shea butter is even a game changer. Shea butter is a great moisturizer that will keep your hair moisturized for a long time. If you combine shea butter with Vaseline, it moisturizes your hair to prevent hair breakage. So what I did was I measured about a tablespoon of my pure or organic shea butter and also measured about a tablespoon of my petroleum jelly or Vaseline. I'm going to use the double boiler method to melt these two together completely. And there you all, if you're still watching this video to this point and you haven't shown your girl some love, what are you waiting for? Please show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. And do not forget to share this video with your friends, your families, as well as on your social media platforms. Thank you for doing all that. All right, so once our shea butter and the Vaseline is melted completely, I'm going to add about 1 tablespoon of my neem oil to this and give it a good stir. Neem oil is a very powerful Ayurvedic remedy that promotes a healthy scalp. It reduces dandruff and strengthens hair follicles to encourage growth. It is also very rich in antioxidants. It treats itchy scalp. It will control oily buildups. It will also help prevent premature growing of the hair. So, neem powder or neem oil has endless or countless number of uses. Make sure you are adding this to your hair care routine, especially if you are suffering from alopecia, if you are suffering from hair loss, hair breakage, or even if you just want to grow your hair much faster. At this point, I'm also going to add Jamaican black castor oil. You don't have to add Jamaican black castor oil if you don't have it. But this oil can also thicken up your hair, especially if your hair is thinning out. You might want to add about half a tablespoon to this amount of oil. Also, I love adding essential oils to my DIY recipes. I love how it feels on the scalp, and aside that, it has its own added benefit to any DIY recipe. And the good thing is you don't even need much. Just a few drops will go a long way. With this amount, I added about 5 drops of my essential oil. I also added vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil is optional. It helps prevent hair breakage. I added about half a tablespoon of vitamin E oil, but if you do not have it, just the neem oil will do all the trick. Alright, so at this point, I left it in the refrigerator and allow it to sit until it solidifies. And look at how beautiful this is already looking. And guys, it smells amazing. Use this as your hair moisturizer at least 4 to 5 times a week. Massage it into your hair and leave your hair in a protective hairstyle. Be consistent with the use for faster results. Let me hear from you in the comment section below if this is something you would love to try at home.